Hey guys, welcome back to my English learning journey. I am Pavitra, and in these days I am working on my speaking skills. Along with I am working on my grammar also. So friends, that's why now I am going to share with you very important and very useful one sentence pattern. From this we can make lots of sentence we used in everyday life. And this is I feel like. In Hindi मेरा मन है, and structure is I feel plus verb for plus object. For example, we can make lots of sentence like I feel like going to Delhi. मेरा दिल्ली जाने का मन है. Now another sentence is I feel like eating mangoes. Now next sentence we can say I feel like eating pizza. And now next example, I feel like watching movie. And another sentence we often use this I feel like going to my parents home. मुझे अपने पेरेंट्स का घर जाने का मन है. Now last sentence, I feel like improving my speaking skills every day. So friends, if you are also learning English like me, keep practicing. So guys, now your turn. If you understand this pattern, you can make 5 sentences and you can comment on my channel. So friends, if you learned something from my this video or if enjoyed my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And if you are also learning English like me, let's learn together. So friends, that's all for today. Bye bye.